वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Good morning everyone. Respected judges, principal ma'am, teachers, elders and all my dear friends. My name is Sarthak Kumar Varana. I study in class 3. Today I would like to thank to my teachers for giving me an opportunity to speak about this special day. Today's day is observed annually on November 13 in India. This day is also known as Bal Divas and the birth anniversary of our Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, who is fondly recalled as Chacha Nehru and Chachaji by children because she